think we need to wait a few more seconds. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on one of my Cards with Robin cards, and this one is using the Caring Animals stamp set and this fun little lion. But what it actually is the cutest, easiest little, oh, and a little pocket here, um, fun fold card that I wanted to show you how to make because it's super easy, very recreatable, and you can do two at once, which is my favorite. So you use your trimmer, you take an 8.5 by 11 piece of the cardstock, and I like to use the thick cardstock that doesn't have two tones. And card bases are 5.5 inches, so you know one of them is going to be at 5.5 inches. You score it just a couple quick times. You don't need to push too hard, just enough to go there. And then I'm pretty sure that this is 3 inches. Yeah. And then I'm going to take my thing and go 3 inches, find the 3 inch mark, run it up along there. And I'm going to use the slicer to go here. And the easiest part in the world, you turn it, go to the 4.25 because cards are also at 4.25. And now you have two of the easiest fun fold card bases ready to go. So how do you use it? You fold it in half. Well, not in half, but fold it at the score line. And then you take your element for the top and you're going to glue those together. And then you will set them on here. And I like to make it the same around all of it. So it's debatable whether I succeeded in this instant or not, but it's close. And then what I do is I pick up from here and turn it over. And then I know that I can glue everything from this side and it will not be in the way. And then I can set it back down. It'll be glued perfectly and it's ready to go. So how cute is that? The simplest, fastest, fun fold card. And then on this exact instance, I added an extra piece in here. Just took some of that tear and tape and added a little bit here, and you can make a pocket. It's a super easy pocket to stow a little gift card in there. So how cute is that? Very fun. Fun folds are wonderful. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.